Welcome to Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is the Faithfulness is a Lamb collaboration with the Heavenly Pearls. And the members of the Heavenly Pearls is DIY Designs by CCW, Candy, Glamour Queen of DIY, Tammy, Love is the Main Key, Erica, Level of Style by Sandra, Jazigreen Decor Style, Liz, Design and Style with Stacy, which is a new name for her channel, but same Stacy that we love. Debby Bubbles and Crafter's Loft by Dee. You can find the playlist on their channels, and please go over and check out their tablescapes or DIYs, their videos for the collaboration. I can't wait to see them myself. My entryway table for the fruit of the Spirit, faithfulness of the Lamb. My verse is, He is not here, He is risen. Matthew 28:6. The reason this is one of my popular verse for me is there is no day, there is no hour that the Lord Jesus is not present with His church, His ministry, and His believers. Even in our darkest day, He is there with us. And I also added a little crown with eggs. And here is our lantern swag. Okay, here is our lantern swag with a jelly bean ribbon and ranunculus. And inside the lantern, there is an Easter bunny driving a little blue truck and a little candle. And here's another cross with an Easter bunny and two little bluebirds. Oops, sorry about the boxes. I do all my shipping in this room. Here's our wreath. It says welcome, and it's got a little bunny with a bow tie. And it's also got jelly bean ribbon and flowers and Easter eggs. And if you hear that crunching, that's my dash hound. She's eating her supper. Sorry about that. But I love the little flowers and the little eggs.